superfoods to work into your menus. Eating clean is about providing your body with the fuel it needs to work as efficiently and effective as possible. When you eat clean, you will have more energy, and you will look and feel the way you are naturally meant to. In addition to the foods that you may normally put into your diet without thought, there are some superfoods that will bring an added dose of nutrition to help you feel amazing and gain a wide variety of health benefits. Here is a list of a few of the ultimate superfood choices to add to your diet. Chia. Chia is a tiny but amazing food. Packed into a micro-size form, it is full of fiber and helps keep your digestive system regular. It stabilizes blood sugar, which makes it a great choice if you have blood sugar issues, or if you want to prevent them. It doesn't have much flavor of its own, so it works well when adding it to almost anything. You can bake with it, or even mix it into your beverage of choice. Quinoa. Quinoa is an excellent choice if you are looking for a clean vegetarian protein. There are 9 essential amino acids that our bodies must glean from our diet, and quinoa contains them all. Quinoa is filling and extremely versatile, so you can add it to a variety of dishes or even make it the main course. Berries. Berries are filled with antioxidants that are vital to our health, and that help our bodies in a great variety of ways. Berries fight everything from cancer to constipation, from memory loss to depression. Blend them up in a smoothie, sprinkle them over a salad, or eat them straight from a bowl. Walnuts. Walnuts contain the healthy fats that feed our brains. They help fight cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and a multitude of other diseases and conditions. Eat a small handful per day to benefit your body in many ways. Garlic. Garlic has numerous benefits, and can be used for a variety of reasons. It is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal and anti-inflammatory, which means it is a go-to remedy for almost any ailment. Eating 1 crushed, raw garlic clove per day goes a long way in helping you maintain all areas of your health and vitality. Since it can be a little hard on the stomach when taken alone, mix it into honey before consuming, or add it to your meals in dishes such as hummus and homemade salad dressing. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are known for their cancer-fighting abilities, by helping protect cells from DNA damage and inactivating carcinogens. They are loaded with a variety of vitamins and minerals. The cruciferous family includes vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, turnips and radishes. As you choose the foods in your diet, take the time to research those that will add multiple benefits to your health. The foods above are some of the best that a person can eat. Include many in your diet on a daily or weekly basis, and see your health improve greatly. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our video to watch more from Lifestyle Fitness channel, likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest exclusive videos.